Hi students, now in this video we are take the another very important concept of triangle chapter, that is criteria for similarity of two triangles, right? So in the first part of triangle chapter we take a detailed concept about the basic proportionality theorem, that is Thales theorem, and we learn about the proof of the theorem, and after that we are solve so many NCERT and previous year question paper problems. Now let us start the another very important concept of the triangle chapter, that is criteria for similarity of a triangles of two triangles. Here see criteria nothing but there are four theorems are there, and in four theorems which are used to which are used to say that the given triangles are similar, right? So four theorems are there. So in this video I only take the statement, there is no proof of that theorems, we only direct take the statement, and with help of that statements we solve different types of problems, right? So let us see the first criteria. Okay, number one criteria that is used to say that the given set of two triangles are similar. Okay, so see here first one, that is a similarity criteria, or criterion also called triple A, that is A stand for, that is angle. Okay, angle means three angle, triangle nothing but three angles, so angle similarity criteria. So what is this means here? I take a triangle, two triangle, because it is we consider about the two triangles here, similarity between two triangles. I take one triangle, that is this one, I name it as A, B and C, and I take another triangle, that is name is D, anything you take, D or PQR, I can take PQR or DEF, anything. Okay, now the triangle ABC and the triangle DEF, now we have to say that this triangle ABC and this triangle DEF is similar. Okay, so if you have want to say that, to check the similarity of this triangle, whether ABC is similar to DEF, yes or no. So in this case we have checked the three angles like that. If this angle is equal to corresponding angle, and this B angle is equal to corresponding angle, and if C angle is corresponding to F angle, like that. See here, if okay, the angle A is equal to angle D, that is corresponding angle, and angle B is equal to angle E, and if angle C is equal to angle F, okay, means if all corresponding, see here term is corresponding, if all three corresponding, okay, I can write three, if all three corresponding angles are equal, then we say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This simple concept you have to remember, this simple concept, we use this concept in the problems, okay, where we want to prove that the given triangles are similar or not. So we use this theorem, that is what, AAA. So in that case we check whether the three angles are equal or not. So for example I can take this 60 degree and this 60, for example I take it is 80 degree and it is 80 degree, and it is 100 degree and it is 100 degree, and it is how much it is, so 180, sorry, I can make it is 90 degree, 60 degree, total 180, no, so I can make 60 degree, and then how much if we get, okay, it is 40 degree. Okay, it is 40 degree. So let us see here, angle A equal to angle D, corresponding angles are equal, and angle B equal to angle E, corresponding angles are 60 equal, and angle C equal to angle F, that is 40. Therefore if we got a triangle in which you observe that the corresponding angles are equal, then you say by using this theorem, that is, if the three angles of any two triangles are equal, then we apply angle criterion and we say that ABC is similar to DEF. So write down first one, that is AAA similarity criteria, angle. If two triangles are said to be similar when the corresponding three angles are, if all three corresponding angles are equal, then say that this ABC is similar to DEF. So please write down this one. Okay students, now pause the video and please take this one. Now I can take another criteria, number 2, which also use to find whether the given triangles are similar or not. Right? So see here, second one, that is very important. AA similarity criteria. Same here, A stand for, that is angle. Here only two angles are enough. Okay, if we get minimum two angles are equal, means then also we say that the given triangle is similar. Same concept, if ABC, okay, ABC is a one triangle, and next one DEF is another triangle, then any two corresponding triangles are equal. For example, I can take this angle B equal to angle C, and angle E and angle C equal to angle F. Okay, what happened here? See, only this angle is not, measurement is not given, so I can take only this one. If any two triangle, for example B equal to E and C equal to F, so if any two, maybe these two or any two, okay, if any two corresponding angles are equal in measurement, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So we get one point here, minimum two angles are required to say that the triangles are similar. Maximum three angles, angle, and minimum two angles are required without considering sides. Okay, only with help of angle, means minimum two angles are enough to say that the given triangle is similar. So in the problems when we are solving, if you get any two triangles are equal, that automatically say that it is a similar. Only two triangles, right? If three triangles are given, means it is very good. AAA we get similar. If you get only two triangles similar, means then also we can write similar. Why? Because of this criteria, that is only two angles also enough to say that a given triangles are similar. Okay, so this is second point. So please pause the video and write down this one. Now students, take the third one, third criteria. Total 4 criteria is there. Now third one, that is yes similarity criteria. What is yes stand for? Yes, right, that's the side. This is not depend on angle. Here we neglect the angles, we only take the sides here. Okay, if we got the figure where there is no angle is given, there is no discussion on angle is equal or there is no discussion, but in that case they give the sides. So then in that case we take the sides concept. Okay, so here only side concept is there is no angle concept. For example, see what this say, that if a one triangle is there, that is A, B and C, and the another triangle is there, and the another triangle is there, that is D, E and F, right? So this theorem says that if the ratio of corresponding sides are equal, right, if the ratio of corresponding sides of equal, all sides are equal, means we say that the triangle is similar. For example, the AB corresponding is DE, and you find the ratio of AB and DE, we get same ratio as you find BC corresponding to EF, and that is same corresponding to AC divided by DF. See here what this say, if the sides of a corresponding, if the corresponding sides of a given triangles are in the same ratio. For example, if I calculated, I get this also 1 by 2, this also 1 by 2, this also 1 by 2, means same. Okay, therefore the ratio of the corresponding sides are same. Okay, then what happened if the ratio of the all the corresponding sides, what are it? Ratio of the all three corresponding sides are same. Or also we say that the corresponding sides are in equal ratio. Okay, all corresponding sides are in equal ratio. Then we say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. That is another third concept. Here there is no, again I say there is no angle discussion, there is no angle is given. In that case we are focused on sides, right? If the three sides we check one by one, okay, compare the corresponding sides one by one. If you getting the same ratio, okay, we getting the same ratio of all these sides, then we say that the given triangle is similar. Why? Because of side. Means if the three sides corresponding are in the same ratio, then we say that it is a similar. Okay, so this is, students, the third criteria that is very important and most of the time it is used. Okay, actually angle and yes, that is most time we use it is. Okay, so please write down this one. Right, students, now come to last criteria. After that we are solve the problems and then you feel, okay, then you feel the theorems. Okay, when we apply in the problems, then you feel the actually these concepts, right? So first one, last one, that is SAS similarity criteria. Okay, SAS means here it is a combination of sides and angle, two sides and one angle. Here see, that is what? Side, angle, side. So it is combination of side and angle. For example, I can take it example ABC, and another I take, okay, a familiar DEF. Okay, here given that angle B is 60 degree, I can bear different angle B 80 degree and angle E 80 degree. Okay, so see here, and I can take any measurements. Okay, that is in next video we take. So see here what happened in this video. In this case, angle B is equal to angle E, right? Angle B is equal to angle E. I can take here, it is I taken this is 2 and this is 4 centimeter, and I take this is 3 and this is 6. Now find the ratio. It is centimeter, students, it is centimeter, right? So let us find the ratio. AB corresponding is what? DE. So we get 2 by 4, we get 1 by 2. Okay, and take corresponding second side BC corresponding EF. Okay, so in that case 3 by 2, it is 1 by 2, 3 by 6, 1 by 2. So see here both are equal. See here, therefore one side is equal, one angle is equal, and the two sides are in proportional. That is, one side is AB by DE corresponding side is equal to another side, that is BC by EF. So we observe two sides in same ratio and one angle is equal. So what happened here? Angle, side. Okay, therefore by using the criteria, that is as side, angle, side, okay, in the angles are equal and side, two sides are proportional. So we there say that this ABC is similar to DEF. Okay, these are the similar criteria, okay, theorems which are used to find and prove that the given triangles are similar, right, students? So these are 4 criteria we use. So finally we get the 4 rules which are very easy. When we apply on the problem triangles, any triangle, then we get the similarity of the triangles, they similar or not, we can check easily. So one is what? One is angle, and second one is angle, and the third one is side, and the fourth one is side, angle, side. Okay, so again repeat here, sir. One is angle, 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 one is only two angle, and one is side, 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 and one is side, angle, side. So these are three theorems, three criteria, right? So which are when we are compare with these two diagrams, we easily find that the triangles are similar. Okay, so take the problems and check one by one. It is possible, it is possible, it is which one possible, and according to that we say that if any one possible means we say that is similar. If all the we check all theorems but no one can be fit in these means they're not a similar, right? So any one may be fit, any one figures are must be fit on any one theorem here. Okay, so that is very important to find the similarity. So first check this one by one, check one by one, you get the idea. So solving so many examples you get idea how to apply. Okay, so these theorems on a particular problems, right? So please write down the second, the fourth one, SAS, and then shortcut again summary, right? That four types of criteria used for similar triangle. One is angle, 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 side, 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 and side, angle, side. So please write down. Now we take the some very important examples. Okay, so please write down this one. Now students, take the one very important example from exercise question. I take here two diagrams, right? Two set of questions here. So the statement is state which pairs of triangles in figure are similar. So first take about Roman 1. In Roman 1 observe that two triangles are given. One is ABC and one is PQR. Now we have to say that which it is similar or not. The triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It is similar or non-similar. So if you want to say about similarity of triangles, so we come to use that four principles, okay, four theorems, that is AAA, SSS, and AA and SAS. Okay, so see here by observing the question we observe that the sides concept is not there, only angles are given and that three angles are given. So 100% we have checked AA and A theorem here. So see here in the solution, angle A is equal to angle P. So I can take angle A is corresponding to angle P, that is both are 60 degree. Okay, angles equal. And then angle B is equal to angle Q here, see. So I can say angle B corresponding to angle Q. Therefore B angle equal to angle Q, both are equal to 80 degree. And see angle C and angle R both are equal to 40 degree. So I can say that angle C is corresponding to angle R, which are both equal to 40 degree. Right? So three angles, corresponding angles are equal. The corresponding angles are equal of this triangle to second triangle. So we say that by A, right? Because angle, 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 three angles are there. So A, similarity criteria, you must write this condition. Without writing this, you get lost 1 marks, right? So because of that, you have to write why you say similar, because of this law. By A, similarity criteria or criterion, triangle AB, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Simple concept, right? So take second one here, same concept, check which one is applicable here. See here, sides are given, all three sides. There is no concept of angle here because angle is there is no measurement of angle. Now means three sides are given, right? So see here, check your corresponding side in order they give same ratio. See here, if I take 2 by 4, it is 1 by 2. 3 by 6, it is 1 by 2, and 2.5 by 5 it is 1 by 2, right? So I can take like that. If I get AB corresponding to, I take this. Why? Because of when divide 2 by 4, okay, 2 by 4 I get 1 by 2, right? When I divide 3 by 6 I get 1 by 2. When divide 2.5 by 5 we get 1 by 2. So like that you have selected. We our aim to get an equal ratio. So like that you have selected the corresponding. Not always AB is corresponding to PQ. You have to check which sides, if I selected that give me same ratio. Try yourself. If there is no sides are matched to each other means then we can say that there is no similar. But here matching we get 2, 4 is match, 3, 6 is match, and 2.5 and 5 match. So I like that. I can take here AB corresponding to QR right? So AB is 2 and it is 4, so that is 1 by 2, right? Now let's see BC and RPR, right? BC and PR, that is BC is equal to 2.5 and it is half, correct? 1 by 2, 2.5 half is 5, right? So we get, now let us see AC match to this 6, okay, this 6, that is a PQ. So I get 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. So observe that corresponding side AB and QR equal to corresponding side BQ and PR equal to corresponding to AC and Q. So corresponding sides are equal by, therefore by which side? Yes, because side, okay. Yes, similarity criteria, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. So that is like you have to select it, right? This is very easy, but this is some change concept. We have to check by dividing which to which side we get same ratio, and select that side, and that side called as a corresponding side. So in this case I can take 2 4 2.5 and 5, I get 1 by 2, and 3 6 1 by 2. So like that 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 I get all sides are in same proportional. So it is said to be a yes is this follow yes rule, side rule. So it is a triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, right? So please write down this one and come to some more figures, right? Write down this one. Now students, take another 2 diagram from exercise, that is here one. In this pair diagram, check one by one which criteria is used here. So see, all sides are given, again 3 sides, so check. So here I can make 3 2, right? 3 by 6 and 1 by 2 and 2 4 we get 1 by 2, correct? So I can take here first LP is with 6, that is a DF. So it is 3 by 6, it is 1 by 2. Now let us MP is with 4, that is DE. So it is also give 1 by 2. But SC here fail. LM by last there is no choice. We take EF, but here there is no match, right? We not get 1 by 2. So therefore we say that thus AP and LP and DF is equal to MP by DE, but the third is not equal to with both. So there is, okay, so means what? There is a no follow any rule. Yes, so for side all sides are must be equal, but here one side is fail. So two side theorem is not there. Therefore we say that triangle ABC is not similar to triangle DEF, right students? So like that, because there is no two sides. Two angle is okay, two angle is okay, but two sides is there is not any theorem is there. So that is why it is not a similar. Now check this one. Here see, one angle is given, that is angle M equal to angle Q corresponding equal to 70 degree. So one angle is, now two side check, okay, 3 by 6 we get, that is MN divided by PQ. MN is 3 by 6, it is 1 by 2, and then ML by QR, okay, that is also 5 by 10, it is also 1 by 2, right? So we say that two sides are in same proportional and one is angle equal, means it is by SAS. So what happened? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So like that we have applied the rules. Oh, right. So first you have to select the such sides which are to be give equal ratio. Then only select that side. For example, I take select was taken 2 4 selected because they give equal ratio with 5 and 10. But unfortunately third one no option is there. So automatic what happened? The third one is fail. So if any one side is fail, means it is a also not a not similar. Not a similar. Okay. AB is not similar to okay DEF. And then for this we can select two triangle, one triangle angle is given and two sides are be same proportional. So by SAS we say that triangle okay, I can not ABC, it is what? It is LMP and it is the practice are at ABC, right? So MLP, right? MLP is not similar to PQR. So this like that you have to be take. So some more Some more diagrams are given in the exercise. I left them for you. Okay, solve yourself and find out that they are similar or not by using these or four. One angle, 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 side, 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 and side, angle, side. Use any one law. Okay, try to fit it. If it is fit means you say similar. If the given diagram is not fitted in any rule means it is not a similar. Right, so these all about the similarity of triangle by using the four similarity criteria, right? So we next come to the next important concept, so please write down this one. Now guys, take the second example of exercise question that is very important. Diagonal AC and BD, okay, trapezium is given, okay, trapezium ABCD is given, and the ABCD, then AC and BD are the diagonals with ABCD, where given is what? AB is parallel to CD, right? Opposite sides are parallel, right? Intersect at a point O using the similarity criterion. Okay, means that the similarity criterion 4 we use study about AAA, AA, triple S, and the SAS. So I use any one and prove this identity. Okay, see here, using criterion, similarity criterion, and prove this identity. So now let us means that we have to check which principle set here, which theorem set here of criteria. See here, if this AB is parallel to DC, then see here diagonals are act as a transversal lines, right? So what happened here? Angle A equal to angle B. So the triangle AOB, I can tell it, okay, triangle AOB and triangle DOC. Right, so see here in the triangle AOB, the angle A equal to angle C, right? The angle A is equal to angle C. Why? There is no measurement. How we say that it is equal? Right, you are right. That is what? Because of alternate angles. Alternate angles. Alternate angles. Alternate angles are equal. When the lines are parallel, the transversal make alternate angles are equal. Like that same, the B is equal to D, right? The angle B is equal to angle D, and same alternative angles, alternative angles, alternative angles. Now another one is there. See here, this angle equal to this angle. Why? Right? Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to angle DOC. Why? Because of vertically opposite angles. Okay, vertically opposite angle. So see here, angle. Therefore, by angle similarity criterion. Okay, we say that therefore triangle AOB similar to triangle DOC. If triangles are similar, so sides are in what? Same proportional. Sides are in proportional. By with help of BPT theorem, proportional. So what happened? So OA proportionals is OC, okay, A or AO, take as per question. AO corresponding that triangle OC, and OB of AOB triangle that is corresponding to the OD, right? So we prove this one. So simple concept, you first have the similarity. After we get similar triangles, we simply apply the law, that is similar triangles having their corresponding sides in same ratio. Therefore AO corresponding OC and BO or OB corresponding is OD. So we can prove here. So simple students. So these are what we have to be use, how we use the these criteria for solving the different types of proof. Okay, here, right? So write down this one and come to the another very important example from the exercise. Right? Write down this one. Now students, take the last problem of today's video, that is here. For third problem, here in the figure, a quantity is given and two angles are equal. Show that these are two similar, right? So means what? Triangle PQS is similar to TQR, right? There are two triangles, right? So see one by one a solution. So first take here, given angle 1 equal to angle 2 means what? Angle PQR, angle P, okay, which triangle it is, okay, for consider triangle PQR, correct? This PQR having these two angles, right? PQR. So we observe that angle PQR is equal to, okay, PQR is equal to PR, yes, because 2 given is there, right? So that is a PRQ, both equal to same because given, right? Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Now see here, if angle PQR is equal to angle PRS, then I say that, then therefore PQ side is equal to PR side, correct? Why? Because see here, these are the side opposite to the equal angles, equals isosceles triangle, it is isosceles triangle, right? So because I can write, because PQ, shortcut PQ, because angle sides opposite to equal angles are equal, right? So let us see here this one, let QR equal to QS and QT divided by PR. So in the place of PR I can write PQ, so PR by QR by QS is equal to QT divided by, in the place of PR I can write a PQ, right? So this one here, PR QS, okay, PR of this triangle, PQ of this triangle in same ratio with the QT of this triangle and PQ of this triangle, means the sides are in proportional, okay, therefore sides are in proportion, okay, proportional. So see here, now I require two sides are, means I require one angle. Now let us see here, triangle, which triangle? PQS and triangle TQR. See here, two sides are proportional. Now angle, see, in the angle TQR and angle PQS, what happened here? Angle Q equal to angle Q. Why? Because of both are common angle. See, angle TQR also contain angle R Q, and the PQS also contain angle Q. So angle is common. So see, side angle. Therefore, by side angle criterion, similarity criteria, we say that triangle that is PQS similar to triangle TQR. Right, students? So this is, students, today's last problem on the basis of similarity criteria of a dual pair of triangle. So here up to we solve the number of problems with a very important concept. In the next video we take the some more examples from questions from the exercise question, remaining questions in the next video. So this is enough for today's video, right? So now share this video, like the video, and wait for the next video on the next very important concept. Okay, I say thank you so much for watching this video, and meet in the next video with a new problems related to the exercise. Okay, thank you.